Studies show that women are more likely to experience sleep disturbances related to emotional stress than men, often overthinking late into the night because the female brain is naturally more active in the default mode network, which is responsible for introspection, inner dialogue, and daydreaming, and women are more likely to experience emotional hangovers, where the effects of an intense feeling linger longer than in men, and many women experience mood shifts in response to subtle changes in weather due to greater hormonal sensitivity tied to sunlight and temperature, and when women are deeply in love, their brain scans show reduced activity in areas responsible for judgment and critical thinking, and women are more likely to remember the emotional tone of a conversation than the actual content, making them highly attuned to emotional undercurrents, and women's sense of smell becomes so sharp during pregnancy that common sense can trigger nausea or intense aversion, and in social groups women may unconsciously compete using indirect aggression such as exclusion, subtle criticism, or social influence, rather than overt confrontation, and a woman can appear completely calm while mentally running through hundreds of calculations, often in social or romantic situations, and a woman's brain literally changes during pregnancy, with areas linked to empathy, emotion, and social cognition growing stronger, often permanently. And some women are biologically wired to detect emotional changes in a partner's facial expression in under half a second without consciously trying, and women are more likely to experience synesthesia, mixing of senses such as seeing colors when hearing music, than men, and some women experience involuntary muscle memory of past emotional trauma, where certain voices, places, or phrases can trigger physical reactions, and a woman's voice changes throughout her menstrual cycle, becoming slightly higher and more attractive during peak fertility, even without her awareness, and mirror neurons responsible for empathy tend to fire more intensely in women, which can make them more emotionally affected by someone else's pain, and women are more likely to experience body image distortions even when their appearance has not changed due to stronger internalized social pressures, and women often remember how they felt during an experience more than the details of what happened, as emotional memory outweighs factual memory, and despite being highly emotional processors, women are often better at hiding intense feelings under controlled behavior than men, a form of emotional masking, and some women report feeling emotionally attached to fictional characters or relationships because the brain processes stories as real social experiences, and research also suggests that women generally maintain stronger, long-term relational awareness, noticing subtle shifts in tone patterns and behavior that others might overlook, and many women naturally monitor emotional environments as a survival instinct developed through both biology and social conditioning, and women's heightened sensitivity to emotional cues often helps them navigate complex social interactions with remarkable accuracy, enhancing their ability to support, connect, and understand others.